Oh my God. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be unboxing my Boxy Premium box. This is May's Boxy Premium. I say I'm super excited in every video, but I'm really not because BoxyCharm has just sucked lately. If you watch my last few unboxings, I'm pretty sure I was really disappointed. I haven't really seen spoilers this month. I feel like that's what keeps me subscribed. I feel like Boxy Premium's the only one I have left. I canceled my regular BoxyCharm. I have Boxy Premium. I don't know if I'll get Boxy Luxe next month. I really don't know, but I know for now I've at least got this one. Let's go ahead and open it up, and if it sucks, I'm gonna cancel. I'm really gonna do it this time. I'm gonna cancel Boxy Premium. A little info on the box. Everyone knows it's a monthly makeup subscription box. Beauty, it's not just makeup anymore. They put all kinds of shit in here. But it's $35 for the box. Oh, the theme is Mother Nature. How appropriate. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's get into this, just looking at it. First up, we got a palette. This is the Too Faced Natural Eyes Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $38, so already it is more than the price of the box. I actually don't have this. I had the original, like Natural Eyes. It was like a smaller palette, I think, and then they kind of rebranded. The packaging's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, I love this fake chocolate smell. So just like the original, it's an all matte palette, neutral shades. It looks beautiful. I'm just not interested. Too Faced as a brand really doesn't rub me right in general, but even if they did, I don't need a bunch of nude eyeshadows because I already have so many nudes that I already love, so I will not be keeping this. What's next? Smashbox. Oh, more eyeshadow. Why? All right, so this is a Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio, the shades, whatever. It's Holy Crop. Like I saw a bunch of these before at TJ Maxx for like $6. This retails for $23. It looks like a matte and 2 shimmers. I'm not interested in this at all. The colors are nice enough, but this packaging is annoying to me. I don't want just like this little trio of shadows. And I mean, I know I've seen something very similar at TJ Maxx, so yeah. All right, next up we've got from Milk Makeup. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. I feel like I might be interested in this. I will say I'm excited to see Milk in the box. I love Milk Makeup. Glow Oil Lip and Cheek, a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. I will say real quick, it is mini, and it says it's mini, and it retails for $15. $15 because it's a mini. And a product like this, I wouldn't mind having as a mini. But the whole thing about BoxyCharm, it's supposed to be full-sized items. So I think that's like a little, I don't know, it's a little funny to me. I don't want to swatch this. It's so peculiar looking. I definitely want to look this up online before I decide. This isn't a product I would buy because the shade is very weird. I'm sure because it's a glow oil. It's probably sheer. Sheer-ish. I don't know. I don't know about this. Again, I'm excited to see Milk, but it's kind of weird. Okay, this is the Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. It says it retails for $90. $90 for 2 brushes. What are you, Wayne Goss? I mean, there's a little weight here. It's very soft. I'm not a fan of brushes shaped like this. Like this says it's a powder brush. Yeah, I like fluffier powder brushes, more of like the dome? I don't know, more shaped like that, that like kind of flower out but still dense. And then this is a contour foundation brush. I don't know, man. I don't know about these brushes. I'll look into Baddington. I had some Baddington lashes that I got in a BoxyCharm and I hated them, so we'll see. All right, and then we have a Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. This retails for $12. I do love lip balms so much, and I don't have anything from their Sugar Rush line. Oh, come on, look at that packaging. That's cute. I don't have anything from this line because I thought it was like a teeny bopper line. No? Oh, it feels kind of sticky. Oh, it smells. Oh, it's taking me back to my childhood because this is for kids. Yeah, I mean, it's very sweet. It's like some kind of sweet, sugary dessert. I can't quite put my finger on that scent. It smells good though. I mean, I like lip balms, I'll use it. I'll use this. We have a win. I mean, it could suck. It could be a shitty lip balm, but I'm still gonna try it at least. All right, last thing in the box is this KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liquid Liner, except it still says Kat Von D on the packaging, but it says it retails for $20. That has to be bullshit because literally everything of Kat Von D's is like discounted on Sephora besides like their new releases, and this clearly isn't a new release because it says Kat Von D on it. It's a blue liner. I could probably use this. I like colorful things. Let me see. Already, like, product is just dripping off of this. Alright, so one dip is legit, like, just a little line. I tried to keep going on my eye, and there was no product coming off. I really don't like this applicator. It's a marker tip, but since you have to keep dipping it back in, it runs out of product, and that's annoying to me. Yeah, this is definitely not a product where you can just whoop and do liner. You have to keep going back in. I think it's a really pretty color though. Now I'm like, should I attempt a wing? I really don't wear wings often because my eyes are hooded. So they're usually a waste, but wow. All I got done was just that much. Who could do this? Who could just continuously go back in over and over again without it driving them absolutely crazy? Okay, that wing took way longer than I would like a wing to take, and it's just the tiniest little kitten wing. Literally, I just dipped it in and nothing is coming off. All right, you guys, I tried. That was painstaking. And this isn't just because I don't like Kat Von D. Like, I know she doesn't even own the brand anymore. That was just really difficult. I will say I love the color. I think this is a beautiful blue liner, but like the juice isn't worth the squeeze. That was so annoying. I dipped this brush in at least 20 times to do these two little tiny wings. Yeah, I know I don't usually use the products on camera, but I just had to. So now is the time of the video where I go through everything and figure out if I got my money's worth. Too Faced eyeshadow palette. Even if I saw this for like $15 at TJ Maxx, I wouldn't have bought it. This is just a palette that didn't interest me when it first came out. It still doesn't interest me. It adds zero value to the box. Same thing with this Smashbox Trio. Like I said, I have seen these for $6 at TJ Maxx and I still don't want it. It adds no value to the box. I'm so sketch about this oil, a sheer blush and lip stain. I just don't like the color, period. Like even if it's sheer, so I wouldn't have bought it. These Baddington brushes, I don't know that I'm gonna keep them. I don't care about them. I have so many brushes already. Like, no. This little Tarte lip balm. If you guys only saw my skincare, well, I did a declutter of my skincare, so you probably know how many backup lip balms and things I have. I would have never bought this in a million years. It does smell good. I'm also just not like a fan of potted lip balms in general, so I wouldn't have bought this. I'm still okay with it being in the box. I'll put $5 on it just because it's not worthless. Like, I'm gonna use it. And then the last thing in the box, I used it, so I'm not gonna give it away or anything. That'd be pretty gross. I would not have paid $20 for this. Maybe like $5. Like if this was at like a Five Below and I was trying to do like a Five Below makeup challenge or something, sure, but I would never pay $20 for the constant dipping this requires, so I'll put $5 on it. So the box is claiming it's worth $198. I spent $35 on it and I think it's worth $10. That's just the way the cookie crumbles, but at least I'm gonna use something out of the box. Last month's premium, I literally didn't want any of the products, so that one was a total bust, except I ended up selling a lot of the products and made my money back, whatever. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm probably gonna put this up on my Mercury, and this for sure, in this milk thing, like, yeah. So that was it for my May Boxy Premium. I'm not gonna unsubscribe. I will get it yet again another month and we'll see how June's does. But at least I might play with these some more. We'll see. Do you get BoxyCharm? And if so, did we get the same things this month? Please let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much and I'll see you later. Bye.